Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars, and coming up this month at Gray's we've got this 1982 VH Commodore sedan. Now you hear the word survivor and time warp and all that sort of stuff used quite frequently these days when they're describing older cars, but this car has only travelled 78,000 kilometres and it is dead set one of the most original and untouched cars we've seen in a long time. Being a VH, it's the very last of what they call the chrome bumper Commodores. The following model, the VK, had the plastic bumpers on it. But just accessories, it's got the factory Holden headlight protector still on it, steel sun visor, weather shields, rear Venetian, factory mud flaps, dash protector. It's still running the original Holden radio on it. This model came with vinyl trim, wind-up windows. It has got air conditioning. The air conditioning is cold, and it's just a classic car. I'd say these pinstripes were dealer fitted back in the day, but you really can't fault the car. The car's just virtually in unmarked condition all the way through. It's got its owner's manual, workshop manuals, plenty of spares, and it's just a classic true survivor VH Commodore. Now, the VH first came out in '81. It was a big step ahead of the VC. They refined the suspension in them. The 6-cylinder blue motor had a little bit more grunt than the previous model, and they were just a good solid car. They later came standard with power steering. This one doesn't have it, but this would be one of the nicest ones we've seen. It comes up this month at Gray's. If you're after a really cool old Holden chrome bumper Commodore that you can take to Holden show or whatever, jump online to grays.com.au or give us a call on 1300 Classic.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.